Hi, this is Shinohara. Today, we're visiting a rental apartment in Maebashi City, Gunma. A new IMECHEN renovation has been completed, so I would like to introduce the room. This renovation was carried out by the Maebashi branch, so I will be interviewing Ms. Imai to hear what kind of work was done. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
May I ask for a brief overview of this property?
Sure. This property is an 8-unit student apartment. Located in Maebashi City, Gunma Prefecture, built 25 years ago.
About how large is each unit?
Each unit is a 1K layout, measuring 23 square meters.
I see. And this project was commissioned by the owner of the apartment, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Got it. We also spoke with President Matsui earlier on our sub-channel, so be sure to check that out as well. Now, let's take a look inside the room. We are distributing a makeover pamphlet. Please check the details in the description. President Matsui will also be joining us.
I'm Matsui assisting today.
Thank you very much.
Glad to be here.
Could you give us a quick overview of the room?
Sure.
This project was requested by the owner of the apartment, right?
Right.
And I understand that he reached out to IMECHEN regarding this project. So what kind of requests or objectives did he have?
For example, there used to be a large overhead cabinet installed here. And over there. There was a fairly deep built-in closet that took up quite a bit of space. The owner wanted the space to feel more open and brighter. So we removed those structures to create a more spacious impression.
Normally, you'd expect requests like adding more storage if there isn't enough. But in this case, the request was actually the opposite: to remove storage and make the room feel larger.
Exactly.
If the room is more spacious, tenants can always add their own storage furniture.
That's a good point.
And since there are people who prefer that flexibility, you prioritized opening up the space by removing everything here. And demolished all of that?
Yes, we did.
After making those changes, were there any other requests from the owner?
We also removed the ceiling light fixtures and replaced them with downlights.
I see. There are no ceiling lights anymore.
That's right. The original fixtures made the room feel a bit cramped. So by switching to downlights, we were able to create a more open atmosphere.
That makes a difference. I also noticed something on the ceiling. And there's a cord hanging down. What is that?
Let me show you.
This is an indoor clothes drying unit called Hoshi Hime-sama by Panasonic.
Interesting. So the bar comes down using this cord?
Yes, exactly.
So you can hang laundry here indoors.
That's right. The balcony in this property is quite small, and the neighboring buildings are very close. So it's not ideal for hanging laundry outside. That's why we installed this indoor drying system.
Especially for first-floor units, a lot of people are concerned about security and prefer not to hang laundry outside.
That's true. Particularly with students, they might be away for a couple of days at a time.
Right. That happens. Also, these days, many people deal with pollen allergies or dust from yellow sand. So there's already a strong preference for drying clothes indoors.
Exactly.
So it's not just about security. Many tenants simply prefer indoor drying. Adding a feature like this can really increase tenant satisfaction. Was this something the owner specifically requested?
Actually, we proposed it from our side, and during the planning process, as we narrowed down the options, the owner really liked this idea. So we decided to include it.
I see. Thank you. What other work was done in this living space?
For the rest, we followed our standard IMECHEN package. The flooring was finished with floor tiles. This time, we used Home Vesta flooring.
I see. That's a product from Kawashima Selcon, right?
Yes, that's correct. For the wallpaper, we used a light gray as the base. And on this wall, we added a slightly darker gray accent with a bit of texture.
That accent really adds a nice touch.
It does. We also used a wood grain pattern for the ceiling. The overall concept was designed with male students in mind, since this is a student apartment.
I see, thank you. Looking at the baseboards, these are wooden, right?
Yes, we upgraded them as an option from standard soft baseboards to wooden ones.
So it's a higher grade finish.
Exactly.
I also see an intercom behind President Matsui. Was that newly installed as part of this renovation?
Yes, we replaced it with a brand new unit.
The switches also look clean and new.
Yes, they are. We also upgraded the outlets to the Cosmos series.
I see. When I looked at the before photos earlier, there used to be storage here. So did you also relocate the switches and wiring?
Yes. With the removal of the storage units, we adjusted the layout and relocated anything that was affected to more convenient positions.
Got it, thank you.
The air conditioner was also quite old, so we replaced it with a new unit suitable for a 10-tatami room.
Thank you. So that covers most of the work done in this living area, right?
Yes.
Shall we move on to the kitchen area?
Sure, let's go.
The door is unchanged?
Yes, it is. Here we are.
So this is a block kitchen.
Yes, the size is the same as the original one. But we replaced it with a brand new unit from Wando.
The manufacturer is Wando, formerly known as IMECHEN, correct?
That's right. We replaced the sink unit and also installed a new kitchen faucet. The under cabinet light, upper cabinets, and range hood are all new as well. We also added a kitchen panel.
It definitely looks much cleaner now. Was it originally a two-handle faucet?
Yes, it was.
A new block kitchen really makes a difference.
It does. Even though we didn't add new functions, just replacing it gives a much cleaner and fresher impression.
Exactly. And here as well, you've added accent wallpaper on the ceiling and downlights.
Yes.
The floor is the same as the living space, made of Kawashima, right?
That's correct.
What about this shoe storage? Was it kept as is?
Yes. We preserved the existing unit and simply cleaned it up to make it look nice again.
How about the entryway floor?
We installed a long vinyl sheet flooring there.
I see. Thank you. I can see the unit bath behind you,
Yes.
and it looks quite clean. What kind of work was done here?
Basically, it was a thorough cleaning, but we also applied a PVC sheet to one wall and replaced the faucet.
I see. So that's a sheet finish.
Yes.
Given the building's age, the unit bath was already in good condition, so just replacing the faucet and adding the sheet was more than enough.
We also replaced the washing machine pan and the water tap for it.
Next is the toilet. The toilet looks clean as well. What kind of work was done on the toilet?
For the toilet, we replaced the washlet and some fixtures.
We replaced the paper holder and towel rack.
And you also changed the wallpaper and flooring.
Yes, that's right.
Is the flooring here cushion flooring?
Yes, it is.
The wallpaper looks great too. We are distributing a makeover pamphlet. Please check the details in the description. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now, could you tell us the total renovation cost for this project?
Yes, the total came to approximately 1.06 million yen.
Thank you. Since 2 units were vacant, you renovated both at once. So it came to about 1.06 million yen per unit?
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you. By the way, what areas does the Maebashi branch typically cover?
Our office is located in Shimokoicho, Maebashi City. And we generally cover areas within about an hour's drive from there, within the prefecture.
So not just Maebashi, but surrounding areas as well?
Yes, exactly.
As for the types of projects they handle, we interviewed President Matsui on our sub-channel, so we encourage you to check that out as well. All right, thank you for your time today.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching today. If you do not yet have the IMECHEN brochure, it's available for download from our website, so we encourage you to please download it. Additionally, we have a separate YouTube channel called The Backside of IMECHEN, where we share behind-the-scenes footage of our shoots and casual discussions with our affiliated shops. We'd love for you to check that out as well. Thank you.